Hi, this is just a presentation to talk about the zones of regulation break room that I created. So in this one, the students will not see directly any of these slides. They're all hidden. However, when we go into how they'll actually see it, this is what it'll be. They're going to be asked, what zone are you in? And then they're going to pick the zone. For instance, they can pick the red zone. And these are all activities and books and resources that they can use to get out of the red zone or to learn about the red zone. And I also have toolkit strategies on what to do when you're in the red zone. And you can add to this as well. They can either go back to the red zone room or they can go back to the main screen. But let's go back to the red zone room. So once they're in the red zone room, they can listen to books, they can do a presentation about being in the red zone, they can learn more about it and learn more about the red zone itself. Listen to music and have an activity about how big is your problem. Then when they're ready to go back to the main room, they can go back. Same thing if they're in the green zone. They can click on the green zone and learn more about the green zone and different strategies to stay in the green zone. And when they're ready to go back, after they've tried everything in here, they can just simply click on that. And this can be embedded into a website. It can be put in Google Classroom. There's really tons of ways that you can use this, and it's especially great in a virtual environment. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, you can just click on the link below or message me inside of Teacher Pay Teacher. Enjoy your day.